Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss on a details what is a semi-truck recliner. So we started our video bringing to fight how and why you need to hire the semi-truck accident recliner. Author A.G. Browning. Every year there are over 5,000 fatalities from crashes involving semi-truck. This number is staggering, scary, and could mean that you or a loved one may become involved. Although not every crash is deadly, many cause injuries and large amounts of damages to the vehicles involved. It can be tempting to settle with the company for a quick fix or even out of fear, but this is not ideal. We are going to talk about why you could consider hiring a semi-truck accident lawyer when you become involved in one of these types of accidents. Keep reading for more information. Accidents involving semi-truck are complicated. When there is an accident between two passenger vehicles, insurance information is exchanged, the police assign fault, and the issue is usually handled quickly. Unfortunately, when a semi-truck and a passenger vehicle are in accident, there are many people that may be liable. Aside from the truck drivers, the company that performs the truck maintenance, the manufacturer of certain parts, and other parties may be involved, thus increasing the level of difficulty in the case. Additionally, semi-truck can weigh up to 80,000 pounds. Most passenger vehicles only weigh around 2,900 pounds. This difference in the weight means more possible damages. Because of the increased damage, there is also an increased chance of injury or fatality. Trucking companies will fight to pay out as little as possible, no matter the outcome of the accident. A semi-truck accident lawyer knows the law that matter. The law that semi-truck must abide by are a bit different from those that other vehicles must follow. Because most people do not have to follow these laws, they are not even aware that they exist. Attorneys who specialize in this area of the law are not only familiar with these regulations, but they are expert in them. Semi-truck accident lawyer know the procedure. The truckers should follow the evidence that judge deemed important and what small details matter in your case. An attorney on your side will also help defend you when the trucking company attempts to place blame on your crime. What to do in the event of an accident? Should you be involved in an accident involving a semi-truck, check to make sure everyone in your vehicle is okay and call the police immediately. If you are able to take photos of each vehicle and the damages that occur. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel for more informative and interesting videos.